drawer. I told you. If you haven't tried that dragon fruit punch, you got it. Okay, one more item from Good Housekeeping, which of course will have that Good Housekeeping seal, otherwise they're not bringing it to us here at QVC. This is the 3-quart electric cook pot with the Look and Cook lid, plus 5 recipes to get you started. You do not need a heat source here. It is its own heat source. All you need is an outlet. $59 and $11.80 easy pay. Remember, those 5 easy pays go away at the end of our show today, not the end of the day, the end of our show in the kitchen with Julia. Is a 4-hour show most Saturdays, 11 a.m. to, what does that get us to? 3 p.m. Eastern time, $11.80 here. Okay. Only order of the year, comparable retail is $82.49. Our price, $59. Your colors are ash, crimson, forest, which was really popular in the Relia pans that we saw. And then there's also an agate on QVC.com, I believe, but it is the most limited. So we'll find it. Your item number in the meantime is K95844. Oh, there's the agate, that really deep blue. This is a 12-cup capacity, or 3 quarts. That Relia nonstick coating is also on the inside of this. Very intuitive and easy to use. Let's bring Marissa Brainy back in because she always has the best demos.
Oh, thank you. So many fun things you can do with this. And you said it, Julia, this is basically another stovetop, right? This is a way to cook, another heat source without having to actually use a burner. So really great for things like entertaining, small spaces. If you have an RV, you love to tailgate. I'm doing a football theme here. I know we're getting ready for the big game. And this is really perfect for a lot of different football foods. So I showed you this mac and cheese, gave you a little preview earlier. So I'm gonna add a little more cheese now. And I want you to know that I did this little.
Yeah, that's what I like to see for a little more cheese. That's my interpretation of a little more cheese.
Exactly. I'm gonna knock it down to low, and I want you to know I did this all in one pot. And so that's really the beauty of this. I love it for one pot cooking because not only does it have the 6 different settings for heat, but it also has the keep warm. It also has the timer. So after I'm done melting my cheese, you know, we have very busy weeknights here. We have sports, we have dance, we have lots of things going on. After this melts, I can just pop the lid on and I can knock it down to keep warm and set the timer for 30 minutes, right? And now I know that when my kids come in from their activities, they're going to be able to have something warm and hot and ready to go. By the way,
jumpers in there.
I do. Well, this is popcorn, actually. Another great use for it. So we'll come back to the popcorn as my kernels start to go. But let's talk about the different heat settings. And actually, I unplugged this one so I could turn this around for you and show it. This is chilly in here.
Okay.
But I want to walk you through what the panel looks like. So you're going to have the LED display, which will come up here. But you have medium low, medium high, and then the keep warm function that I mentioned. Super easy to operate. You just use the little plus and minus to toggle between all those. You have your start, stop, and you have your timer. Easy peasy, very, very, foolproof to use. But I think what's so unique about this too, not only is it a way to cook without your stove, it's also a really large capacity. So look at this chili. If I'm entertaining for the big game and I want to have this warm, this is going to feed a crowd. Right. I think that is something that a lot of people don't realize, that there aren't a lot of things this size out there on the market. Sure, you could have a slow cooker, but this cooks in real time. So I can sear my beef right in here, which I did, add all my ingredients for my chili, and then it automatically will go to keep warm when my timer is up. So again, Good Housekeeping is all about these functional items that are going to be these game changers for you in your kitchen. And as my popcorn comes to a slow pop here, I might have to, I got a jumper. Let me put the lid back on while it continues. But again, this is something that while you're thinking about that first apartment for maybe a loved one, or downsizing, and maybe you have a smaller stovetop. To be able to do this, set your timer for your popcorn, walk away and go about your business and know that you're going to have it ready to go without turning on your stove. I think it's just so genius.
Well, it's also the fact that it's portable, which I love. So you can bring it to the potluck that you were invited to. You can cook in it, you can unplug it, you can bring it right in the vessel itself, replug it back in to keep it warm. That just to me screams lack of dishes, which makes me very, very happy. Also, we're a month out of the holiday season. It was busy, right? We had a lot of parties and events and everything that we do during the holidays. Did you find yourself like clamoring for more space? Did you find your stovetop completely overwhelmed and crowded? Would this have been something that would have been a huge helper to you? Well, think about how you're going to use it for the rest of the year, and then what a godsend it's going to be come the holidays once again. You do get the cord that plugs right into the wall as well. And then we're going to talk Relia pan after I do colors. So we have it for you in the ash. Then I have it for you in crimson. If you picked up the Relia pan set of 3 pans that were so fabulous with the slide out feature, maybe you want to get this to match back. It's called Forest. And then on QVC.com, we also have Agate, which is going to be our most limited. The 5 easy pays of $11.80, that goes away not at the end of the day, but at the end of our show today. This is K95844. Let's go back to Marissa's kitchen to see what else she's doing in this fabulous pot.
Yeah, so I want to show you, you mentioned the Relia pan, and what's another really functional part about this is the entire interior is coated with our Relia Nonstick coating, 5 layers of that. And we also did this little helper handle. So say I want to just get my mac and cheese out of there. I'll clean up later, no worries.
That's fine.
But look at this. Look at how that slides out. And then all I'm going to have to do to clean it is I'm going to wipe this interior, right, with a paper towel, a rag, whatever I have on hand, and the edge as well, and that comes totally clean. So easy. Now, a lot of people wonder how to wash this, and it's a great question. So I'll just tell you, you wash this just as you would a regular pot. You just want to make sure you don't submerge it because all the electronics are underneath. And I should mention too, it's safe for any surface because we did these little feet. It's vented on the bottom, and the outside really doesn't get very hot, which is fantastic. Okay. So even though you can boil in here, you can sear, the exterior of it just gets warm, so it makes it really great for things like entertaining. And I want to take you down here. So speaking of the football theme, this just goes to show the Relia pan in action as well, because this is a buffalo chicken dip.
My favorite.
And when you have something like buffalo chicken dip, you often want to keep it warm. You want to keep it bubbling. And so for this, I'm just going to show you, this pulls away from the side of the pan, right? You can see how I'm using my little spoonula here, but you see again, that Relia pan is going to make for an easy cleanup when you're entertaining. So if you want to have fondue, if you want to have your warm dips, your spinach artichoke, your buffalo chicken, whatever it is, you know that at the end of the party, you're not going to have to soak it and wait forever for this to be clean.
Oh, that looks good. I need your buffalo chicken dip recipe for my big game day party. Here is your ash. Here is crimson. Here is forest. There's also an agate on QVC.com. 5 easy pays of $11.80 goes away at the end of our show today. It ends at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Comparable retail is almost $80 to $50. So take advantage of this. You'll use it year round. And I think that's all we have with you today, Marissa, right?
That's it. Yes. Have a great rest of your weekend, my friend.
Thanks for coming on into In the Kitchen with Julia. I always love seeing you. Okie dokie.